We'll discuss how to set up a default SEO on your WordPress website. So here you can see this is our WordPress website. Okay, and now we are going to set up default SEO on this website. So let's go to the plugin section, click on add new, and you can see in the right sidebar just search on SEO, and after that you can see the first plugin called Yoast SEO. There are multiple SEO plugin in the marketplace. Whatever is best for you can. So for now we are going to add a Yoast SEO plugin. So I'm just going to install the plugin now. And you can see it's installed, and now we need to activate this plugin. So you can see the plugin has been activated. Yeah, plugin is activated now. So once plugin activated, you can see this kind of message at the top: the huge SEO issue, you are blocking access to robot. As this is our development site, the site has not been published yet on the for a live. So in that case we always need to check this. So once site live, we can uncheck this box. Okay, that's why you can see this message. So once site live, and we'll mark this as a uncheck, and after that the message will be disappeared. So let's start to set up default SEO on our website. So you can see this is our home page. So let's go to the home page first, and so this is our home page. Okay, and as you go to the SEO plugin, this one, this is general settings. Okay, just click on this button, start SEO data optimization. Just click on it. So once you click on it, you can see this progress bar, and the SEO data optimization is completed, right? That's perfect. Okay, and now go to the integration part. Here you can see there are multiple options over there. And now we need to configure the SEO. So here you can see get started quickly with the Yoast SEO first time configuration. So just click on here. So just click on continue, and you can add your organization name, whatever your company's name, whatever your brand name you can add. So this is our as a demo website. So I just at my site you can add your organization logo, something like this, and save and continue. Okay, and you can add your social profiles like Facebook, Twitter, and many more profiles you can add. Okay, then save and continue. After that you can see the Yoast SEO is tracking. There are two radio buttons. One is no, don't track my site data, and then another one is yes, you can track my site data. So now we can add we can just check no, don't track my site data. As of now you can see we will never sell this data, of course. As always, we don't collect any personal data about you or your visitors. Just click on save and continue, and you can see finish configuration. Just register now or visit SEO dashboard. So as of now I think we don't need to register now. Just click visit your dashboard. So here you can see this dashboard. It's not a problem as of now, as site is not live yet. So now we need to add our on page SEO for our home page. So you can see this is our home page backend. This is our SEO part. Here we can add meta description. So meta description, something like a small description, something like this about the companies. So like for now just add a dummy text, and here you can add some keywords like blog, services, and much more. The keywords you can add. Okay, and also you can see the options for social. You can add a social preview image for Facebook. You can add whatever you need, you can add. Okay, as per your need you can add, and you can add Facebook title, Facebook description as well. Same for Twitter, and Twitter title and Twitter description. That's it. So once you're done, just update your home page data. So now you can see this is our home page, and it's updated with the SEO on-site SEO with the meta description and the keywords. So like this way we can add our on-page SEO for rest of the pages. That's it. Thank you.